This is as good as it gets. Oh man. So I messaged them and I was like, hey guys, my box like came open. And then they were just like, hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew. I'm so excited to be here today because today, well, okay. Oh man. Oh shoot. Like, wow. Okay, why am I excited to be here? Well, first off, because I really missed you guys. There's a lot that we have to talk about. But we're for the first day of June 2019 box week. Doggone it. Oh man. I didn't have a plan for how this video was going to get going, and it's showing. I was like, I'm going to come out here and I'm going to say this, and then I was like, oh wait, I think I'm supposed to say this, and then I was like, I don't even know what I'm going to say. Well, so hi, if you're new here, and this is just like the first time ever that you're checking this out, this is as good as it gets. It doesn't get better than this. So I'm here today for box week. Okay, you know what? Okay, if you're new and you like what you see, just subscribe. If not, I get it. It's all good. Like, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a little thumbs up. Leave a little comment below. I think that's what you're supposed to tell people, is like, you should comment below this video and just whatever. And box week is the best because we spend 7 days. There's a new video every day for 7 days right now. This is bad. This is bad. Well, maybe it's good. I don't know. Maybe you like it. Maybe not. I don't know how I feel about it, and I'm in it. I don't even know where to take this right now. Okay, so I know I haven't been making a lot of videos. I just moved, like, well, not just moved. I moved at the end of last month, and we had a major issue with getting like the internet set up because I don't know, like basically I did not get internet to my new house. Like, I moved at the end of May. The internet, which was supposed to be set up like 2 weeks ago, finally just got set up like 2 days ago. So that's a long story. Basically, that's why I've not been here. It's because I've been moved, and did not have connection to the outside world via the internet for my computer to upload videos. Also, I will be making a video talking about moving and other major cool life updates that I've kind of just been like super busy and not had a chance to talk about. So whatever, let's get into today's actual video, which is really an actual unboxing video. Like, it's actually me unboxing something. And I will be letting you know, it's so awkward. I'll be letting you know. I would like to let you know right now. I'm sorry. I was just, honestly, I'm so excited to hang out with you guys that I'm just like, so we're going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway. This box here, once it's full, I'll post a video telling you how you can win that. We're going to be opening up Ipsy Glam Bag Plus today. This is my second month getting it. Last month I was like kind of okay with it. I don't know yet how I feel about it in regards to like that one in exchange for the actual original $10 Ipsy. That was like the first subscription I ever got. So I now have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So one thing I'm going to tell you that I'm a little upset about, and I emailed them and they never even responded. They didn't even like hit me back. They were just like, my box came in the mail open, like straight up like open. Like, I have not opened this. This is how my box arrived. So I messaged them and I was like, hey guys, my box like came open. And then they were just like, nothing. And this was like a week ago that I messaged them. So yeah. Anyway, so Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, there's a couple options. If you are first signing up for Ipsy, it's $10 a month for like the original subscription, which is one of my favorites. And now they have a Glam Bag Plus. I don't know if this one is still like hard to get into, because like I had to wait like months before I got an email that was like, now you can get it. And now I got it and it's coming to me open. But if you're like, I want to check out some version of Ipsy, I've got a code down below this video in the description box. Is that what it's called? The little box where I talk. I don't really say anything. I say, honestly, I say like the same thing like every time. So like, there's nothing to see there. But like, yeah, so my box was open. And I think this box is $25 per month. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a little out of it. This whole video kind of went down the rails from the jump, and I don't care. I'm just going to keep on going with it. So I decided I'm not even going to cut the seal. I'm just going to open it right from the accessible side that was already open for me. So the first thing I see in the side here is, oh snap, CEO. Okay, look at me. Oh gosh, I am so messy. Like I just went on this whole rant about this box, and then the first item I was like, oh snap, like I'm super excited. So actually, I mean, it's CEO Sunday Riley Rich Hydration Cream. So Sunday Riley, like this stuff is expensive. And I was recently thinking like, I'm gonna need a new day cream soon. So Sunday Riley CEO, we've gotten their face oil before in Allure Beauty, and that product alone is like $80. We've gotten their serum, which is like $80. So I'm assuming this is like $80 or more is the actual cream. But Sunday Riley is amazing. This is one of the like top leading skincare brands right now. I'm just gonna like open up, smell it. It's full size, by the way. So I'm kind of like shook in a good way, I guess. The other thing is like, I'm sitting here and I'm like, my box was open and like somebody like didn't take this. Like I'm thankful nobody took it, but I'm like, dude, like, wow, that's amazing that like nobody took this out of the open box when they were delivering my mail. Also, this cream like really just like soaked deep into my skin. So I'm sure something people always wonder, I'm dropping it now, is like, how do you know like if you have like a really good moisturizer when you're trying something in the store? Well, first off, it depends on like your skin tone. I can make a video about this, I suppose, at some point. But you know, my skin is actually a lot drier. So when I try a skin cream like on my hand, I want to feel if it like absorbs without feeling greasy. I want to feel if it like actually like soaks into my skin, which once you try a lot more moisturizers and lotions, you'll kind of get what I'm saying with that. This like soaked into my skin. It didn't leave a layer on my skin. So sometimes you use moisturizers and it just kind of like sits there on the top and you're like, please absorb. I really need you just to absorb. So like this actually like immediately like went right into my skin, and my skin like feels like more bouncy, which I know is a lot, but I mean, that's just how it feels, like whatever. So let's go in here to the next item in the box, and we have a Suva Beauty Hydra Liner Cake Eyeliner. Okay, so this is a eyeliner in here. I'll be real with you, this is probably gonna go right into the giveaway box because I do not like, I'm not good with these kind of eyeliners. It's just not, it's not for me. It's not something that I've been blessed with, and I'm having trouble even opening this. I don't want to mess up the box because I'm putting the giveaway. This is Cake Eyeliner, and it's in the shade Grease. I'm assuming it's like a brown or a black. I'm not even gonna open the box because I feel like it's gonna get damaged. But this is a Hydra liner, so this is like an eyeliner, and we're gonna put this in the giveaway box. I feel like you could probably Google it if you're like, I really want to know what it looks like, but I don't want to mess up the box. I feel like when you win something, you don't want it to come where like the boxes are ripped up. I mean, you want it to be nice, so we're gonna leave that as it is. All right, the next item inside of here is Tres Stick. This is a matte color shiny balm lip crayon. That's kind of contradictory. It's like matte color plus shiny balm. Oh, hold on. I think, oh, okay, check it out. This is what they did here. So this is really interesting. So like this is just the cover, and then this is like the lipstick, and then this is like the lip balm. It's kind of weird. So we'll open this up to see what this looks like. It's in the color Belize Bordeaux. I'm trying to get it open. Funny enough, I actually was at Ulta the other night and almost bought something like this color, and then I didn't. Oh, this is really big. I did not expect this. So let's open this up. I just damaged the tip of it. That's great. So this is the color right there. Really, really pretty tone. This color, I always like wearing this color on my lips. It's kind of one of my like, it's magnetic. Hold on, wait, look at this. Oh, check it out. Oh my gosh, that's dope. And then there's like this little lip balm underneath here. Mine has like little fuzzies on it. I apologize for the amount of like squirrel syndrome I've got going on here, but it is what it is. So that's what it looks like on my hand. I put the balm over it. I'm assuming you literally do that just so it's not like full on matte, because I personally am not like a matte lipstick person. I don't know, my lips always get super dry and I'm just like kind of bummed out by that. I don't know. So the next item, I'm gonna try and reach in here. Oh, this is the booklet that talks all about the stuff in here. We'll look in here in a minute to see what the eyeliner looks like. All right, let's try to get something else out. Okay, next we have Tetris / Ipsy Game On. Oh my gosh! This is a Tetris eyeshadow palette. You guys, I used to love Tetris. When I was like a little kid, this was like the game I loved playing. My parents loved playing it. I remember it was like my favorite thing. This is super exciting. Look it. My mom's gonna be mad. Helicopter mom is gonna be mad. She's gonna be like, what? What is that? I'd be like, you should have signed up for Ipsy, I guess. Okay. You guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this palette. Oh my goodness. So it has 6 shades in it. They're really, really big. And it looks like there's like this one shimmery tone in there. I can't really get the thing up. It's called Block Party. That one looks insane. I can't get the plastic sheet off the top though. Hold on, here we go. Here we go. Drew's gonna get it together. Okay, so there's like an actual there's like this mustard tone here. Can you see that? There's like this deep like purple blue tone, and then this color looks amazing. So let's go ahead and swatch this really quick on my arm here to see like what the actual tones look like. That one I'm gonna double up on. We'll do Game Day. This Game Day shade, I don't know how much I'll actually use that one. There's Game Night, because it's like this weird like peachy tone that is really popular, like super popular, but for me it never really shows up well like on my actual skin tone. Does that make sense? I'm trying to wipe off my hand because I like ran out of space to swatch stuff. All right, this Block Party is the one I'm kind of most excited about seeing. Oh, that's pretty. And then Game Over is like this weird like blue tone. Okay, so these are the shades right here. Can I turn my arm properly to show you? What's wrong with my arm? What's wrong with my arm right now? Okay, these are the shades. This one right here is the Block Party that I was talking about. This shade here is like the Game Day shade, which I just was like, that doesn't always look that awesome on me. But these are like the 2 that I really like the most. And this is that Block Party one that just looks amazing. So that's really, really cool. They sent like a full-size palette. This box is actually really good this month. So last month I got it and I was just kind of like, it's okay. I don't know. And this month I'm Sunday Riley stuff is going to end up being like $80 probably or more worth. I'm trying to get, there's more stuff in here. I'm putting the box on the floor. This is getting out of control. Oh, we got the Suva 620. This is the eyeliner pencils or the brush. So we're going to put this with the eyeliner and put that into the giveaway box. And then finally, oh my gosh, we got a bag of Tula face masks. Look at these. Remember we got these a couple months ago? So Tula Beauty face masks, Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Hydrogel masks. Oh snap! Looks like there's a few in here. Oh, there's 3 of them in here. Yay! I'll be putting one of these into the stockpile giveaway also. That is really awesome. I love these. This is so, so good. This box is actually amazing. Regardless of the fact that it came to me open, this is actually a phenomenal box. Like I can't even like really be mad that it was open anymore because like, I mean, it's frustrating, but like nothing was missing from it. So, you know, all right, really quickly, we'll look in here. The palette was $24, like we're $24. Okay, the CEO cream, okay, it was only $65. I'm sorry that I kept saying 85. Cream is $65. The set of masks was $26. And okay, this is the eyeliner and brush set. That is $26 right there. And then the lip thing is $25. So this box is worth well over like $100, probably close to $150 if I'm kind of mathing that out right. Yeah, so like about $165 this box is actually worth this month. And I think that's an amazing, amazing value. So quickly to recap, we got the 3 Tula Beauty Skincare Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Hydrogel Masks. One of these going into the stockpile giveaway. And I love like hydrogel masks. They're some of my favorites, so I think it's really awesome that we got 2 of them in there. We got the Tetris Block Party, the Tetris / Ipsy makeup palette, which those are the shades right there again, and I did poorly swatch them on my arm. And we also got the Suva Beauty eyeliner with the eyeliner brush, which is also in our stockpile giveaway. We got the $65 full-size Sunday Riley hydration cream, and we got the Trestique lip crayon / balm thingy, and that's right there on my hand. Overall, I'm really, really impressed with this. I will, like I said, there's a referral code down below if you're like, I want to check this out for myself. Make sure you click on that and sign up for Ipsy for yourself. So that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just Like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for a new video. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Goodbye. The next one that she sent me was actually a Tone and Firm body lotion. Again, it's not made with any of those like rough ingredients. This one is aloe infused, has pink grapefruit and caffeine and green tea. So